I'm Steve Mitchell.
Hey, y'all, check this out. Check out this Hot Wheel. It's a real-life Hot Wheel car right here. Check it out.
Low humidity, love it. And tomorrow, a little partly cloudy.
That's cool, ain't it?
Yeah. And we're going to be in the 80s.
It's a real-life Hot Wheels.
Tuesday, we're in the 70s.
Matchbook.
Yeah, the grandson would love this.
Oh, Lord. Yeah, I'd love it, too. Wow. I like it when people improvise. See if I can back up here and get a good shot of it. Let's see if they done anything to that. Yeah, they did. Check this out. I love it when they do this to the bed. Oh, and he's got the classic tag. Peach Country, baby. Yeah. Check, 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 check. Look at that old. Imagine getting a fender bender with that. That fender would probably tear up a Mazda Miata. Total it out.
Watching corner seat and comfy as ever. 18 Sundays of touchdown scoring, Hail Mary throwing, ice cold Pepsi flowing, football action. Wow. You better believe it's back. And since that's too amazing to miss a single second's worth,